Oh, it's affair. Gospel on the beats. I've not found just happiness. I found a life partner. You have broken down my walls. I love you forever.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a crochet hair tutorial using the Vixen method. If you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep watching.
Baby, baby, more. I wanna stay right by your side. Oh, baby, baby, more. I'm never leaving you behind.
So for the braiding pattern, I sectioned my hair into 4 quadrants, and in each quadrant I made a spiral shaped cornrow, and I have leave out in the middle and around the perimeter of my hair.
Take a lap over the seas, oh, across the 7 oceans, the sun and the galaxy, oh. You're giving me peace of mind. I'm feeling.
To achieve this hair, you're going to need 2 packs of this particular hair, and it's called Ceres by Expression. So right now I'm just trying to prepare this lot of hair by combing the tips to make it a whole lot easier for me to divide into smaller portions that I'm going to be using for the hair. Initially I started by dividing each lot into 2, but I found out this was way too big, so I ended up dividing them into like 4 to 5 or 6. So yeah, let's get started. So right now I'm trying to tuck this end of hair down so I can have a flat surface to work with, and then I just begin the normal crochet braid method on it. So note that every line before the leave out, I'm going to be doing this method called the invisible crochet braid method. This just the difference between this and the other one is that we're just going to pass 1 strand of hair into the loop instead of 2, and then just tying it as securely as possible, just like we did the other time. So let's go over it again. I'm going to be passing just 1 strand of hair into the loop, and I'm going to be securing it. And that was just what I did throughout all the 4 quadrants. And yeah.
Gospel on a beat.
It's affair. Gospel on the beats. I've not found just happiness. I found a life partner. You have broken down my walls. I love you forever. There's no love that's quite like yours, baby, no never. And when I stare into your eyes, baby, you've got me saying things like, baby, baby, more. I wanna stay right by your side, oh, baby, baby, more. I'm never leaving you behind, oh, baby, baby, more. Come follow me like a sabbath.
So I may not have mentioned this earlier, but then I applied some Eco Gel styler to my leave out, and then I made flat twists so my hair could like blend with the weave. And now that we're done, I'm going to unravel the flat twist.
You're giving me peace of mind. I'm feeling it inside. I will love you forever. I'm never leaving, baby. I wanna reach out, baby. Oh, come on, why you on my road, baby, more. You are my melody. You are always there for me whenever I need you. You answer every single call. I can always depend on you. You're giving me good loving over and over.
process, you're going to want to cut your hair in a downward motion, so you have it to appear like layers instead of having a straight cut. So you just keep on cutting till you are satisfied with what you have, and that's basically about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and then share with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Baby, come